Respected Principal, Vice Principal, teachers, and all my dear friends, wishing you a very good day. I am Bhagya Subin of class 10th, and today I am going to deliver a small speech on the topic Moon Day. Every once in a while, the human race achieves something truly remarkable, and Moon Day celebrates the occasion when we first left footsteps upon our nearest neighbor. Neil Armstrong became the first man to step down onto the cratered surface of the moon, and he said the following words: "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." These are words that are pretty much everyone around the world is familiar with. When this incident took place, it was one of the most monumental occasions in our history. On Moon Day, we celebrate the historic landing on the moon that occurred on 21st of July in 1969. On July 21st, Apollo carried the first humans to the moon. 6 hours after landing on the moon, American astronaut Neil Armstrong stepped onto the lunar surface. He spent 2.5 hours outside the spacecraft. The moon landing by NASA's astronaut became a worldwide news, and everyone across the globe celebrated the historic lunar landing by the moon. The space community celebrates this day to commemorate the milestone achieved by human beings. The astronauts had taken samples from the moon and brought back to Earth. Michael Collins orbited the moon, while Armstrong and Aldrin spent roughly 2.5 hours roaming this new and uncharted territory. So today, take a moment to look up and know that 52 years ago, a human was walking among the stars. Thank you and have a nice day.
Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin become the first humans to land on moon as part of the Apollo 11 mission. 6 hours after landing on the moon, American astronaut Neil Armstrong stepped on the lunar surface. Aldrin soon followed him. The two men collected 47.5 pounds of lunar materials. Their specimens would make the journey back to Earth to be analyzed. celebrate the milestone achieved by the humans. Today it is the 52nd anniversary of landing on the moon by Apollo 11 mission. This trip was conducted by 3 astronauts.
As we all know, July 21st is celebrated as the National Moon Day. On this day, Neil Armstrong walked on the surface of moon in the year.
Reported the moon landing as being the single greatest technological achievement of all time. On July 20, 19...
On July 21, Neil Armstrong landed on the moon from spacecraft and became the first man to set.
Edwin Aldrin stepped to the moon's surface. They collected 47.5 pounds of lunar materials. In the command module,
1969. The moon landing by NASA's astronauts became a worldwide news and everyone across the moon's land surface was Neil Armstrong and the first country was United States. And also NASA got confidence from
Every year Moon Day is celebrated on July 21. This day commemorates the day humans first walked on the moon in the year of 1969. The first step of mankind on the moon was reported by NASA to be the single greatest technological achievement of the all time.
Neil Armstrong became the first man to step down onto the cratered surface of the moon, and he said the following words: "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." So, now I'm gonna conclude my words by wishing you all a wonderful day, and let's celebrate the Moon Day together. Thank you.